everyone! Welcome back to Creates in Motion. Ako si Eira.
And I'm Ivalee. And today, we're giving you 21 things you should know about being in tambourine ministry.
Yes, bilistahan kami, hindi lang kami basta sayaw-sayaw. Para to sa mga beginners, aspiring tambouriners, and sa mga gustong sumali pero nahihiya.
Huwag ka na mahiya, para kay Lord to.
Pagkakit naman niya. Oh my gosh, nag-eye-contact kami. Guys, so first up, always remember who you're dancing for. Ang pagsayaw sa harap ay hindi para magpa-cute ka. Lagi natin tandaan ang ating purpose. It's for the Lord, hindi para kay crush.
And smile! Dito sa ambulance, let your joy be seen. Nakakahawa yan. When you minister with joy, you inspire others too.
Kung hindi ka marunong mitibes, pag-pray na natin yan, Senyorita, pero joy to the Lord.
Paano ba kasi hawakan yung tambourine? Tama ba tong size na to? May malaki, may maliit.
Now, let's talk about tambourines. Size 10 is what we usually use. Pero kung mabigat para sa'yo, size 8 or smaller works.
And yes, take care of your tambourine. Huwag gamitin pagpukpok sa ka-practice mo, okay?
Wrong! Also, ribbons matter. Use bright and clean ribbons. Yung presentable dapat tayo, especially sa harap. Hindi yung mukhang buhaghag.
Costume, be modest and coordinated with your team.
Ay, oras na pala. Ano ang ulit yung step?
Know the parts of the tambourine and know the basic techniques, steps, para safe at maganda ang galaw. Don't worry, we will have a separate video for that.
Be on time for practice, ha? Huwag puro next time na lang, ate. Kaya bawi na lang Foco next time. Tandaan natin na hindi tayo pwedeng marap ng walang practice para iwas lahat.
Always look at signs. Kung verse, chorus, bridge, or shifting na, stay alert pag sumasayaw.
Communicate with your teams. Hindi lang puro chika. Alamin nyo rin yung counts, sign, and cues.
Tambourine is a ministry, not just performance. So always pray and do your devotions. Sa amin, walang humaharap na hindi nakapag-devotion, showing how important that is.
Be humble din and stay teachable. Kapag napansin mong mali ang nagawa mong step o ng kasama mo, okay lang yan, basta di mahalata.
Tama, dahil di naman alam ng ibang tao ano yung steps niya. Basta dapat sabay-sabay kayo. Make everything intentional.
Kaya importante talaga maging sensitive and attentive. Okay lang paminsan-minsan magkamali. Walang perfect, but lahat tayo may room to grow.
Sakit ng kamay ko. Tingnan mo, nakakalyo na ako.
Kamay sa'yo, sa akin pala kamay. Kayo na bumigil, tsaka to. Kamay na pa naman.
Warning, asahan mo lang sumakit ang katawan mo. Expect calluses, body pain, or soreness. Pero, worth it yan for the Lord.
Condition your body. Sa pagtatambourine, need mo ng maraming stamina, lalo na kapag steps ay puro talon.
Yes, lalo na kapag nilid ng Holy Spirit ang inyong worship leader. Kapag hindi ka talaga physically fit, nako, hinga talaga ang aabutin mo.
Kaya condition your body para ma-execute natin ng maayos yung mga steps at para hindi agad mapagod kapag sumayaw.
Stretch before and after para iwas injury.
So that's it. Yan ang mga importanteng bagay na dapat nating malaman pag nasa tambourine ministry tayo.
If you learn something new, don't forget to like, comment, and share.
Practice with purpose, not just for performance.
Tambourine is more than just steps. It's worship through movement.
Yeah, recuerdas amigas, huwag kalimutan maging mabango, magdasal lagi. Con de Doel, Corazon.
Well, thank you for watching!